I bought a 2002 Volvo V40. Yes, a Volvo V40. That is the car I dreamt of buying as a kid. Hello, this is Jake and welcome back to another video on my automotive channel. Now today I have a little bit of a surprise for you all. Yesterday afternoon I bought a new car. This car is purely for travelling, holidays, because I want to do a lot of stuff with friends this year, because what happened last year with COVID, and also transporting some of my large RC model boats, the biggest being 6-foot Britannic, which I'm currently building now. So I had to buy a car that could accommodate the model boats, but also be good for taking friends on holiday and that, go camping and all that stuff. So here she is. It's a 2002, like I said, 1.8 litre. I gave it a nice wash this morning. It's already dirty. I've just brought it up here to the car park. Well, I don't actually film here usually, so excuse all the mess. I'm quite surprised actually. There's a lot of glass here too, so I'll be careful. But yes, here it is. So it's metallic black, tan interior, all electric, windows, everything like that. There's a few issues that I'll point out in a second, but for a very cheap runabout car, I don't think I could have done any better. Yeah, I love it. It looks fantastic right there. It really does. So I've always wanted a Volvo estate. I've now got one. I have no crazy plans with this. I'm not going to put a massive low body kit on it, lower it to the floor, upgrade the engine. Don't need to do none of that because that's not what I bought this car for. I probably will do something with the exhaust. I'm not going to lie. I probably will do something with that. But yeah, there you go. It is a gorgeous car. So there's a few problems with it. As you expect, it's a 19-year-old car. See here? I don't know if they'll show up on camera, but someone, has got the marker pen because there's dents and that, and they've painted them. There's a few of them. There's a few scuffs on the car, like, you always got to get scuffs on mirrors, especially a car like this. I believe I'm the third owner, which is amazing. I'm the third owner of this car, and it's a 19-year-old car. Bonnet is had a 4 respray, and it's not the best respray. There's a few underneath here between the gap. It's peeling just a bit down there, and there's a bit of they call it like orange peel on the bonnet, but unless you stand back you can't notice it. It's not a problem. I don't really care. Scuffs on the bumpers, which I will do. I'm going to do small repairs to this car and do videos on it, like how to get the scuffs out the plastic, make them look black again. I've already got the repeaters. They will be going on there in a video very soon. But again, your wing mirror's got a few scuffs. There's a few little dings. There's a nice little ding right here. A couple more on the back. The boot is actually pretty good. I'm impressed with the boot. So if you don't know, I will put a picture in now, but because this is a black car, a black Volvo, this is black plastic, and now this is standard on all of them. So no matter what colour you get this car in, this would be black plastic, and then it's molded into the light and everything. It's all one giant piece, and you can't really tell that it's plastic. It fits in really well with the actual black of the car, the metal work and everything like that. But overall, it is a really good car. So it's got 111,000 miles, which I didn't think that was too bad. I was looking at a couple on there, newer ones, older ones, and they had quite a lot of mileage. What I'll do is I gotta get the grille sorted, something or nothing. Let's open the bonnet. Let's have a look at the engine. So there's our lovely 1.8 engine. Very clean. Well, I say very clean. It's dirty in places, but it hasn't been washed or anything. You see it's wiped over, but when looking at a new car to buy, or second-hand car in this case, but having a look around it, you never want to see the engine pristine and super clean unless it's a fully restored car, because that means it could be hiding something. But there you go. There's our engine. Airbox, all of that. I might put an air filter on it. I might do little mods like that, but in no rush to do stuff like that with this car. But there you go. There's the engine. couldn't tell you much more about it really. It's had a brand new alternator down here. That is a newly fitted alternator. There wasn't really much paperwork with it, but it is a fully serviced car, stamped right from day one right up to last year 2020. So this is a fully stamped car, which is fantastic. 4 service history, first car I've ever had with 4 service history, I must say. But yeah, very nice. So we got all tan interior, there you go, or beige, or whatever you want to call it. I've always called it tan. I say with beige is a more orangey colour, which I'm going to do in my classic 500. But there we go. This seat obviously is driver's seat, so you can have the most wear on, but no rips, nothing like that, just cracks in the leather, which is, you know, again, 19-year-old car. The grey dash and everything. CD player does not work, which I knew that when buying it, so I'm going to get that all sorted, of course, because you got to have music when you're driving, especially the miles I'm going to be doing in this car. Glove box right there. I do like this plastic grey chrome. You got a bit on the door there, and obviously on the back door as well over there. I do like that. I think that's pretty cool. Electric windows all round, like I said, front and back. Some of the models, especially the early ones, would only have handles in the back. Only the fronts would be electric, so it's nice to have that, and they all work. All the electrics in here work perfectly. I've never owned a Volvo, but I've always heard good things, that they're good, strong, robust cars and everything. And everything's working. This one doesn't have the heated seats. I have saw a few models with that option, but that ain't gonna bother me. And then if we have a look at the back seats right here, there you go. These have barely been used. There's a small tear just over there on leather, and there was a few marks here, but again, nothing serious. Cup holders right there. We got quite a lot of storage areas in this car. Pockets in the doors, driver and passenger door as well. Got this one down here, and then this one, of course. But yeah, pretty basic, and obviously these seats come down nice and flat, so you got a nice long boot, which we'll have a look at now. There you go. Got the spare wheel in there with a small tool bag, and our jack. Quite clean. I will give it a nice hoover out and everything, get it all cleaned out. But yeah, look at that. I mean, you've got a safety strap here to you know, hold stuff in place. Now I will be using that because I'm going to be carrying precious expensive models in this thing at times. Like I said, my Britannic that's coming in here will be at a full length of this. Even if the passenger seat has got to go right forward, the seats go down, it'll go in here, and there's a trolley that it's going to go on as well when I take it to the ponds, and that thing is worth a lot of money, so it's got to be secure. You got the blind here, comes out, clips on just that little clip. This clip's broken, which we're sorting, we'll get that done. Again, nothing serious. And then your basic wear and tear, scuffs, where everything going in the boot. I have found out this morning that it was used for carrying golf clubs, because there's a lot of T's in the spare wheel and bits like that. So that's probably what that is, getting the golf stuff in and out of the car. You know, a bit of rip that and get that sorted. Little things like that I will be doing videos on, because I think it'd be good to learn at the same time as sharing how to do it. And a great thing with a Volvo, you shut the doors, they slam perfectly. It's a 19-year-old car, and the doors shut and sound like day one, which is always nice. I'm a bit disappointed that I washed it this morning, it's filthy again. But thankfully it hasn't rained yet. It's meant to rain all day, and we have not had any rain whatsoever. Also, the wheels are very nice. There's the locking nut I did say about, and I got that in the glove box in the car. But no, the wheels are very nice. They do remind me of touring car wheels just a bit. And then if you're here, I do need to get a new one of these, which these always break, always. All the cars I've had, they broke on. Wow, there we go. That is my new Volvo V40. I do actually really like it. You know, this is a genuine smile. When we saw it on the drive, when I was, you know, going to look at it, it was about an hour away, and first impressions was, yes, very good, very clean, and everything the original owner said about the car was 100% correct. I have found no surprises, nothing like that. Not like I did with the Z3, which I want to update you on soon. But yeah, very good, very pleased with it. Let me know what you guys think. More videos coming on it. Like I said, I will be doing small repairs, showing the how-tos. Definitely, we'll definitely be showing you how to fix the bumpers and get these plastic black bits all sorted out and everything like that. I'm gonna end this video now before it rains because it is getting colder. So thank you all for watching. You want to see more on this Volvo, please remember to like and subscribe, and I should have more on it soon along with my other cars and the journeys that I'm going to be doing with this car as well. I might be filming some of them, so that'll be interesting. I can guarantee I won't be taking it to any supercar meets. It's not a supercar, but it is a very practical car for what I needed. And I should be testing that out this week with some of the model boats that I need to carry in it. So thank you all for watching. Bye for now.